Okay, this is going to be page number 38, starting with number 3. Okay, we have this equation KE equals half mv squared, and in the end, they want to know what is the value of v. Okay, so basically, let's just isolate for the v. I'm going to start by multiplying the top part by 2. Okay, that's going to cancel out with the bottom one, but I got to multiply this side by 2. So I'm going to get 2KE equals mv squared. Okay, so far you can already cancel out a and b, and we are left with c and d. Okay, then we got to divide out the m. Divide out the m. Both of c and d have an m on the bottom, so we're still left with c and d. And now what do we have to do? We're left with v squared is 2ke over m. If you want to get the v alone, you have to square root it. Square root it. That'll be v equals this right here, which is answer C. Very easy. Number 13. It says 7 times the quantity 3w plus 1 over 4 minus 3w equals 1. Okay, so what we need to do is first we got to distribute. Okay, that's going to be 21w plus 7 over 4, and then minus 3w equals 1. Okay, let's take the 21 and join it with this little brother over here. 21 minus 3 is going to be 18w. And then we have plus 7 over 4 equals 1. Okay, let's subtract out the 7 over 4 minus 7 over 4. Subtract that. We're going to get 18w equals, and because I'm dealing with these numbers, I want to have something with the 4 on the bottom. So another way to write 1 with the 4 on the bottom is 4 over 4. Do you guys get that? 4 over 4 is 1. But I'm trying to get a common denominator so I could do some subtraction. So I'm going to go 4 minus 7, and that's going to equal to negative 3 over 4 equals 18w. I'm going to put a 1 underneath that so it's acting as a stabilizer. And then if I want to solve for w, all I got to do from here now is my little jujitsu move for math. It's cross multiply. Okay, 18w times 4. 18w times 4 is 72. 72w equals 3. Okay, and if you want to divide out this number, then it's negative 3. Divide out the 72, divide out the 72. W is going to equal negative 3 over 72, but we could probably reduce that to negative 1, take a 3 out of the 72, and that'll give you 24, negative 1 over 24. And A is your answer. Not bad. Let's do number 34. Number 34 gives you 12 over 5, r minus 2 equals 2 over 3, 3r minus 2, 2r minus 1. I have a feeling you need to make sure that you use your PEMDAS on this one. Okay? So make sure that you use your PEMDAS on this one. First, what is ugly about this? We got this and we got this. How do I get rid of it? We gotta get rid of the bottoms. Think of a common denominator. Okay? The first thing that I should probably do is multiply. Actually, I'll take care of the inside stuff first. In the inside, okay, that's fine. Okay, I should probably distribute this. Got to do what's in the parentheses first, okay? So I'm going to rewrite this as, that's going to be negative times negative is, or negative times positive is negative 4r. Negative times negative is positive 2. We're going to make that 4r plus 2, okay? And then you got 3r right here. So we could get the 3r and 3r minus 4r and turn that into just a regular negative r plus 2. So all of that's reducing, okay? And then don't forget, still have this over here, 2/3. Okay, so 2/3 negative r plus 2. And then on this side, it's just going to be the regular 25, or 12 over 5. Okay, now still, what is ugly about it? This right here, the fraction. Let's get rid of the fraction, okay? If I multiply by the denominator, what number they have in common, it's 15. If I do that, that'll cancel that out, and this will be a 3. And then if I multiply this by 15, that'll cancel out. That'll cancel out, leaving here a 5. So 5 times 2 is 10 with this regular negative r. We're just going to repeat that. And on this side, 3 times 12 is 24 times the regular r minus 2. Okay? Now from here, all we have to do is multiply it through, oops, sorry, this is actually 36. Okay, so 36, r minus 2, and then 10 times quantity negative r plus 2. Distribute, 36 times r is 36r, 36 times 2 is negative 72, and then 10 times negative r is negative 10r, 10 times 2 is plus 20. Okay, from here, let's isolate. Plus 10r, that gets rid of that, plus 10r. That's going to be 46r. And then on this side, we want to go plus 72, cross that out, plus 72, that's going to be equals 92. Okay, so got to divide out 46, divide out the 46, r will equal 92 divided by 46 is 2. And that is your answer.